The forex market never sleeps, and neither do I. So let's go and see what the charts have to show us. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nick, and I'm a top author on TradingView with over 260k reputation points. And every day I share a lot of free education and analysis on this channel. So make sure that you subscribe, and I will see you on the charts. In today's video, I want to speak about GBPCHF. Now, why do I want to speak about GBPCHF? Because at the moment, we do have quite interesting price action and structure. So what I will be doing is, as usual, providing a complete multi-time frame top-down analysis, starting from the higher time frames, going down then on the lower time frames. We will also check what we have from a COT perspective. So commitment of traders, which is basically what hedge funds and the non-commercials in the market are doing. And by the end of the video, by using the combination of these different types of analysis, we will try to understand where we have the highest probabilities for a potential move here on the pair. Now, starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that the market has just created a very strong impulse to the upside, followed by this correction. Now, in general, after an impulse, if you want to measure the correction, you have to take your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And if we do that, what we can see here is that the market has just retraced exactly to the 0.382 of the Fibonacci taken on this monthly impulse, which is a quite strong monthly demand and support area that we do expect this market to reject to the upside. So here in the monthly, everything seems quite bullish and we can expect more continuation to the upside. We go down on the weekly time frame, and what do we see? Now here on the weekly, we can see that there is definitely the possibility for the market to print in inverted head and shoulders. In fact, we can see how this area was acting as support here, preceding this rejection to the upside. We then had the break below the zone, break back above, and at this point, we have a left shoulder ahead, and there is the possibility to see here the market test this support for the creation of the right shoulder and then create the continuation to the upside. So on the weekly, we can expect some more short-term bearish price action before then a longer-term bullish price action can develop. Just a quick thing, make sure that you like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below any suggestions for new videos. Going down on the daily time frame, what do we see? Now here on the daily, we can see that at the moment the market is currently testing previous daily resistance, which after the market has broken to the upside is turned support here. And as we are testing this previous resistance turn support, there is definitely the possibility to see the market reject this level to the upside. Now, in general, after an impulse, if you want to measure the correction, you have to take your Fibonacci from the low to the high of the impulse. And if we do that, we can see how we have at 0.32 and 50% Fibonacci retracements, both lining up exactly in this area, which indicate that we do have quite strong structure support here that we can expect the market to reject to the upside. Now, if we go and see what we have from a COT perspective, so basically what the non-commercials, hedge funds, and the biggest speculators in the market are doing, we can see how lately the net positions have just started once again increasing for the pound. And since we have just entered inside of a strong support area, we can expect some more accumulation of longs here, which would then reflect on the new report with longs getting added and shorts getting closed from an institutional perspective. And we can see how we have already started to see shorts, actually thousands of shorts, 4.7k to be exact, closed with the last report. And if we go and see what we have on the CHF, we can see how overall net positions have now started steadily decreasing. We went from having 9.6k to having 5k to having 4k to now having 3.9k net positions, meaning that what is happening is that shorts are getting increased on the CHF, going from 5k to 10k, and longs are getting decreased from 20k to 14k, making the CHF weaker. And a weak CHF is exactly what we need if we are to see this continuation to the upside. We need a strong pound and weak CHF, which at this point definitely seems a possibility. So how we will be approaching this potential longing opportunity with students? Now, as usual, we will be reactive and not predictive. The monthly, weekly, and daily, those are the best time frames from a directional perspective. However, When it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frames are the 4-hour and the other intraday time frames. So inside of here, with students, we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective and lower, waiting for the market to shift from an intraday bearish market as we have right now to an intraday bullish market. And only if the market will shift from an intraday bearish to an intraday bullish market, only at that point we will be adding GBPCHF to our watch list. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities at that point for the move to the upside and for the market to complete this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside and for the market to provide and create a higher high. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free analysis education and updates for all of you. You can also go and check out the mentorship program. The link is in the description. It's a very complete program. First, you learn all the rules of my rule-based strategies. Then every single day you get a new daily market breakdown showing you how to apply the strategies in live market. And you also get your questions answered every day in the daily Q&A session. So it's a very complete program. I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it.